Welcome to the booth of SWAN Air Compressor at the Taipei International Industrial Automation Exhibition in 2021. These exhibits are the key products of SWAN. Let me introduce you to the key factors to provide high quality and stable compressed air for your business. To produce a high quality oil-free air compressor, SWAN adopts ceramic cylinder made of nickel-based alloy and special silicon carbide treatment to make the overall cylinder harder and reduce the coefficient of friction. Therefore, it can reduce energy consumption by more than 2%. Abrasion resistance and high heat dissipation are the main characteristics of the ceramic cylinder. Moreover, it can increase the service life of compressor link, lead to the low cost of maintenance. The STU102C and STU415C models are oil-free air compressors, which equipped with ceramic cylinder. These models are specially designed to supply oil-free air as ISO 85731 Class 0 standards, which has been approved by SGS. SWAN does not only consider the air quality, but also efficient heat dissipation structure and anti-noise materials to satisfy all customer needs. The sturdy frame-type structure of sheet metal can significantly reduce noise and vibration during the air operation to provide a low-noise workplace. These two products are suitable for medical and pharmaceutical production, respirator, mass production, electronic industry, food processing, and other industries that require compressed air. HHD absorption dryer models use a moisture absorption molecular cell as an absorbent and use a high-efficiency water filter with a double-tooth regenerative drying control system. Therefore, it can save more energy and consume less air for regeneration. It also can reach the dew point of temperature of minus 40 degrees Celsius. This model of dryer is small, light, external, and suitable for use in laboratory and dental. SKR30M, the silent type cabinet scroll air compressor, is designed with low vibration and noise reduction. This model equips a smart control system and multiple unit compressors to meet the air requirement from customers. This model is targeting hospital, dental, pharmaceutical, laboratory, food processing, and other high-quality air-needed industries. SW420CNEX certified to exceed the energy efficiency level 1 standard by the Bureau of Energy, Ministry of Economic Affairs. This is an excellent compressor to offer a stable 14-bar high-pressure air. Moreover, this model has an intelligent control panel to satisfy the customer experience, and it has specially designed forced lubrication function that also makes the compressor durable running with the extended product life cycle. A piston compressor has high performance, but is required less maintenance. This air compressor is targeted in laser cutting, flush and replacement stations, and other industry use. SWAN's cool air compressor series are using flexible coupling with the 1-to-1 direct drive design. This design ensures the transmission efficiency reaches up almost 100%. The end roof barrel of the air compressor is designed from the most advanced European technology with a large screw loader. The results are in much higher efficiency and lower rotating speed. This compressor has a smart control panel and highly reliable components to make it more friendly in operation and easy to be maintained. The TS3780 is a reliable machine with low noise, more energy saving, and high durability. It is recommended to be used in manufacturing sector, food and beverage packing, construction, and other industries. With a professional R&D team and more than 65 years of production experience, SWAN has accumulated considerable technology energy to shorten the new product development period. Moreover, we have the ability to develop various products to meet the specialty needs of ODM and OEM customers with our advanced technology and excellent equipment. The HPU420, which is a high-pressure oil-free base-type air compressor that we developed to meet customer medical demand. All the air compressors are designed under ISO 9001 regulations to bring about high efficiency, low consumption, less pollution, and more durability. SWAN provides the best air compressor and always ready to serve you. No matter where you are, contact us today.